Hello, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday. The S&P 500 was down 0.2% today. And really, one of the big catalysts today had to do with this big ransomware attack. A company called Kaseya that provides software to companies was hacked, and then they got into the customers, and maybe up to 1,500 different customers. And they lock up the computers, they lock up these companies. Some of them are having to close down and what have you. And they're asking for a $70 million ransom payment in order to let this go. So it's a big deal. There's a lot of concern about supply chain, issues and things that are affected and what have you. But it is an opportunity area for these cybersecurity firms, these companies that provide software and services and hardware to try to fight against these hacking events. And so let me share with you kind of what I see out there in the exchange traded world as far as cybersecurity goes, and kind of a couple of our favorites. So these are there's the four main cybersecurity pieces are here, and you can see them over here. We got bug and cyber and hack and iHack. And I always show this purple one here, VTI. This is the total stock market index. And so that's our benchmark. And so if we look over here, that was up almost 6%. And then we had, hack was up almost 10, cyber is up, almost 12. And then we of course, iHack, which we own, is one of my favorites, was up 12. That was up 1.7% today. That was nice. And then bug, which we also own quite a bit of actually, is a Global X cybersecurity piece that was up almost 2.6% today. And again, over 15% in the last 3 months. And so you can see these are doing well because of this threat of this ransomware that's coming. And lots of companies are going to have to start investing in this area. And so from an investing standpoint, obviously, this is something to take a look at. And one of the reasons why you'd want to have something like this in your portfolio is exactly like what happened today. So it created some problems for the market today, a lot of softness, different areas that had trouble. And so by having cybersecurity pieces in your portfolio, you ended up with at least some gains in those parts when these types of days come along. And so I do think, they've been quite profitable in these ransomware things. This is an ongoing threat that's going to happen. And really, the world's going to have to kind of wake up to this concept that you got to protect all of these pieces a lot better than we are so far. Maybe sometime down the road, this is something we don't talk about as much, but it's certainly something that's being talked about a lot now. So I do feel like it's a good investment opportunity. As these companies try to go out and protect these other companies from having this happen to them again. So really fascinating time frame. Again, as usual, all kinds of different things going on. The economy continues to roll forward and such too. So look forward to seeing what's going to happen tomorrow. And again, just mentioned, just feel free to share these videos. I know I've been asked a few times, friends, relatives, coworkers, what have you. So if you have somebody that you care about that you think might get something out of this, just from an investor education standpoint, feel free to, and they can subscribe to our channel if they, don't want to, if they aren't on our email list. So look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Thank you very much.